Hi, welcome to the Jewish. Today we're going to do the bowel stimulation protocol. This is the 10th day that we're doing it. So to do it, we need 500 ml of NS. We're going to add Thicken Up from Nestle. So we're going to add 30 grams, which is 21 scoop. Then we're going to mix it up. And to inject into the bowel, we're going to use a 60 cc syringe TUMI and an 18 gauge Foley catheter. So we're going to instill this over 20 minutes. So it's about 1.5 minutes per syringe. We're going to mix this up to get this in form of a jelly to mimic poo, basically. So normally we're going to let it stay about 2 minutes and then we're going to start the protocol. Insert a few cc's of the mixture to clear the air, and also we use it to lubricate the tip of the catheter. So here's the texture. So it's fairly thick but easy to inject into the bowel. Have patient in supine position, no talking, fully relaxed. It will be easier to go through the fascia. Also, we recommend to use about 40 to 50 cc's of water the first session to open up the collapsed distal bowel. Okay, so sometimes if we're having trouble getting the catheter to pass through the fascia, we have to inject a little bit of normal saline, and it usually now it's flowing well. So then we're going to be able to go back and use the thickener. We also recommend to use about 40 to 50 cc's of water at the end to prevent constipation. We recommend to manipulate the catheter with gauzes because it's very, very slippery. So we're done. We actually put the 500 cc's, we did it in syringe of 40 cc's at the time, because when we tried to push more than 40 at the time, we had overflow. So doing 40 cc's every time is what we found to be the best. So it's 12 syringe plus one of 20 cc's. And like we said earlier, sometimes before we start, we actually inject 20 cc's of sterile water to try to open the bowel and be able to put the catheter through the fascia. So it took us 18 minutes. The patient tolerated it well. Thank you.